Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have AXIE INFINITY AXS daily update, so we are going to see eventually if we go to 5860 Tether USD, which is our next price target. If you like the content, hit the like button, subscribe, join our monthly subscription, link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto, you get easy profits with automated signal, buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, and many more benefits. Only 50 people can join in because I want to give everyone the time needed, and of course guys, you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. So also join our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below as well. We are a family that helps each other, and of course we are going to go now to the technical analysis we all crave for, right? So eventually guys, we have told you that we are going probably to 58 around there, 60 Tether USD for AXS. We haven't yet closed above the previous high right here, formed around 50 Tether USD, right? We haven't closed above, we have gone above but haven't closed above. You can see that we closed a little bit beyond and now we're finding a major resistance line right here, okay? So the 36 Tether USD was our support level we found, and we found support here and we bounced back into the previous high. We went a little bit above to the 53, then closed beyond. Let's see a little bit the MACD. The MACD still looks good, guys, nothing to worry about. We had one bullish recross, one bearish cross right here, but we don't worry about it because we haven't gone all the way down, okay? We haven't gone all the way down. The blue line still stays at very high levels right there, and of course this bearish cross right here between the blue line and the signal line was very healthy, so you don't have to worry about it, okay? So therefore guys, we are standing good with the MACD. Let's see a little bit the volume. The volume, it is decreasing as the price is going upwards. That is not so good and it is not so bad as well. We can still go upwards more, guys, do not worry about this. There are many times that volume is decreasing while the price is going upwards. It is not something we should worry, okay? So therefore we are going now to AXS Tether USD, guys. And of course, we are going to see the RSI, the Commodity Channel Index, and the Stochastic RSI, three risk metrics that will allow us to say if we have a very high risk or not. But in an impulsive wave, those three indexes, guys, especially the Commodity Channel Index actually, and the RSI, they are not going so much further down, except this moment here for the Commodity Channel Index. Now we are up again, and now you're going to see that we might be doing something like this, then go up again for Commodity Channel Index, same for the RSI right here. Now that we are in the high level, we might be going upwards. The only thing that it's pretty scary right here is that we are having some lower highs patterns and the higher high you can see in the price, okay? Some lower high in the RSI and the higher high in the price. Therefore, I expect maybe we can have another more movement towards the upwards, guys. And of course, we will see about that, though it is not safe to assume that we have a bearish RSI divergence because we had a bearish RSI divergence before and therefore we went down but went quickly back up. So therefore, guys, do not worry for now about that. And the Commodity Channel Index, I think it will keep moving like this, okay? So let's see the Stochastic RSI. The Stochastic RSI was in an oversold situation, now it is not. Same for the RSI, same for the Commodity Channel Index, so we can grow furthermore. You can see that the 20-day MA is still above the 50-day MA. We had a bearish cross right there, and now we just went upwards all the way for AXS. Truly amazing run for it. And let's go a little bit to the daily frame. Let's go to the daily frame, guys. We had a buying opportunity right there on 21st July, and therefore we don't have a selling opportunity yet according to the SSL HYBRID, an indicator that can tell us we have a buying opportunity, but it doesn't identify the top. It identifies near the top, guys, the prices, but not at the top. On the AXS, guys, run, we had some pretty good signals for the SSL HYBRID. We had a buying opportunity here and a selling opportunity there, so we could go upwards upwards and have a very strong profit right there, guys. You can see that we could have around 800%, 700%, or even a little less. But anyway, guys, SSL HYBRID did fantastic. Let's go a little bit to the Bollinger Bands to see that we are now on the top line of the Bollinger Bands. That's what happens in an impulsive wave, guys. We are getting this. It is so guys, normal to be getting the price going along the top line of the Bollinger Bands when we are having an impulsive wave. Okay, when we are having an impulsive wave, this is what happens. And you can see the RSI is above the 74 on the daily frame. The commodity channel index is in an overbought. The stochastic RSI is in an overbought, and the MACD looks very good. I won't go through all of these risk metrics because it is not necessary for now. I haven't seen yet any RSI bearish divergence in the daily frame, so we can stand here pretty longer. This is what happens on an impulsive wave. We stay here for quite some time. We stay above the 70 for the RSI, then we drop down. Okay, so eventually we are going to access Bitcoin chart. You can see now that we formed the bottom, we had a swing high, therefore we approach the previous top almost, and now we want to see eventually if we have the strength needed to go upwards, or if we will have a double top right here and fall down, because guys, AXS needs to outperform Bitcoin. Therefore, it will be very much easier for AXS to go to the 58 Tether USD, our next price target, and therefore, guys, we will go even higher and then correct. Okay, so therefore, if we outperform Bitcoin, we won't be caring what Bitcoin will do. But if we don't and underperform against Bitcoin, then of course we will have in our minds what Bitcoin will be doing. Okay, so I believe we should be going a little bit high right here, and I would love to see that for AXS Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame. We are not in an overbought or any oversold situation right here. You can see the commodity channel index is between -100 and 100. Same for the RSI between 30 and 70, and of course the stochastic RSI is between 20 and 80. You can see all of this. The MACD on the 4-hour frame looks a little bit worse than the AXS Tether USD chart, but it's okay. Still, we are fine. Although I don't like that we are going so far down, we are still fine. Right, for me, we are still fine. Let's go a little bit to the daily frame to see some important things. On the daily frame, we have made the 20-day EMA as a support level, and we don't go beyond the 20-day EMA. That's pretty good. And of course, you can see that on the daily frame from 2nd July actually. So it is more like 25 days, more than 25 days, guys. We are approaching a month that we are having this impulsive wave for AXS Bitcoin chart and for AXS Tether USD, right? So this is amazing run, and we want to see when this will stop. For the time being, guys, on the daily frame, checking the candlestick pattern right here, we don't have to worry about something so much. We are still standing pretty good, and of course we want to see eventually we can go even higher. The stochastic RSI is not in an overbought situation. It is between 20 and 80. The other two risk metrics are in an overbought situation, right? And therefore, we are going now to AXS Tether USD price analysis that we talked about yesterday, the 58. You already know that, guys. If you are new to this channel or new to this video, we have a price target of 58 to 60 Tether USD, right? And I am preparing a video for the long-term price prediction, what is realistic for AXS and what is a little bit more difficult to approach, okay, for the long term. And so stay tuned, guys, to check the long term. And let's see right now some important things. First of all, guys, many people have asked me, is this an opportunity right here? Should we have, because we didn't close above the previous high right there. You can see the previous high was around 50, and of course now we couldn't close above. And many people ask me, is this a double bottom top, and almost double top, and eventually we're going down? It might be, but it has low chances, okay, but it might be, all right? So therefore I truly believe that we can go to 58, 60 Tether USD because we are holding strong and because Bitcoin is going good. But eventually, guys, if Bitcoin has a crash, then we are not going anywhere, okay, because I believe that AXS will have to outperform totally Bitcoin again and have another wave right here to outperform Bitcoin, because Bitcoin on the daily frame, if we go to the daily frame, you will notice something, that the daily RSI is close to the 70. And if this is not an impulsive wave, guys, so we can go a little bit upwards and go like this, then we won't be having something very good for Bitcoin, and we expect a very nice correction here, which will be very healthy, as you can see, because on the last days we have only green candles, but at the same time, guys, it will drag down many altcoins, including, I believe, the AXS. So the only thing here, the only problem that we have is maybe if Bitcoin corrects. And if Bitcoin corrects, guys, because you can see the daily RSI, the commodity analytics is in a way overbought situation, the daily frame, the stochastic RSI is too. If Bitcoin has a correction, then it will drag down AXS and might not be able to go to 1.618 minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement levels. You can see that the 58 to 60 Tether USD, all right? But guys, in case you missed it, I don't believe that we won't go there, okay? Because even if Bitcoin crashes and we stay, for example, above the 0.618 or above this level right here, it will be very good. If we go all the way down from the previous high and even further down, then yes, we won't probably going that upwards, but at the same time we haven't lost something yet, so we can go to 58. Things are looking very good. We just have to get there a little bit quicker than we had to before, because Bitcoin is approaching a very overbought situation right there. And of course, guys, if this is an impulsive wave, we won't be carrying, and AXS will go there for sure, but we can't play with the possibilities right there. And though we need to go quick into the 58, we need to make a quick move right there. If we don't do that and Bitcoin corrects, crashes down, because you can see that we had a very quick swing high right there when we approached the bottom formed on 29,000 around there, and we formed that on 20 July. Then we had a quick pump up on the from the 20 July to the 28, all right? So therefore we might be expecting a correction going on, and this won't be good for AXS. So right now this is the only enemy. The Bitcoin is the only enemy for AXS, but I truly believe, guys, we can make it there, we can go there. And of course, by the time we make this as support level, the 49, then we will be going around there. So if you are in a loss right now, just wait a little bit, stay patient, guys, be patient. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. And of course, if you have bought around the bottom right here, just sell some profits right now, guys. Not all your profits, but sell a percentage. That's not a financial advice, it is my advice, okay? So anyway, guys, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below to take easy profits and learn technical analysis, the most important thing. And of course, you can join our Telegram group chat. Link is also in the description down below. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, guys. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.